2017. And yeah, you can see right about now how crazy it is snowing behind me right there. It's uh, it's a crazy evening right here in Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, and yeah, I just want you to see and have a look at how crazy the snow is at this moment. Um, yeah, it's really snowing, and I love it. I'm just here to like show people and let you know and experience the biggest snow of this month, I would say. It's been a very quiet snow weeks, but today it's snowing cats and dogs, as people would say. I want you to take a look at it. It's like you can see behind me right there. It's just snowing so much, and you can even see it like it's really windy as well. You can see some of the snow on my face, and it's crazy how you can see everything like moving and flying around and just um, having so crazy. I had some work on the driveway. Maybe you can have a look at the driveway itself. I'd just done some work on the driveway and it started snowing again. I thought it was really good for me to do the snow. But also the good thing is I've done half of it, so these ones that are coming right about now, it's not going to be so heavy tomorrow as I do my work. So that is the updates for the weather right about now. If you can see, it's crazily snowing, and I've never seen a snow like this in my life. So ask me still after. I just wanted you people to understand and see how crazy the snow is. You can see behind me. You can see also on the floor. Let me turn my camera for those ones who would want to see it as well. Um, so you can see just right there. You can see how it's flowing and how crazy it is and how snowing it is everywhere. Um, yeah, it's cold. It's almost 0 degrees centigrade, and yeah, so those are some of the things that I wanted you guys to see. We have also our show tomorrow. Be ready for our show that we shall bring to you tomorrow about dating. And yeah, be ready to go and see that podcast on tamibertv. And yeah, we shall have lots and lots of things happening around dating itself. So be sure to have so much fun tomorrow. And yeah, the weather is super cold and you can see it. You can see it from out here how out is really snowy, and yeah, you get to see what is going on here in the U.S. for people outside of the U.S. But it's pretty cold. But I like it. So what else do we have to do? Yeah, as we also do this, I want to give you updates on what we have. We have a new show also, and the show is called Celebrity Corner, and we shall have artists in the show, and yeah, we should be able to have many artists all around the world and celebrities that would come and have their say and their time on the show. Um, and also another thing is we're gonna have our podcast moving on tomorrow, exactly 1 p.m. U.S. time and 9 p.m. Uganda time for those ones who are from Uganda. It's pretty cold right now. I'm gonna just show you out a little bit for 5 minutes and then I'll eat out. 80 I mean, and have fun inside there. This is the weather today. For those ones who want to know about the weather, it's crazy cold here. It's about 0 degree, 23 Fahrenheit or 22 Fahrenheit. So that's why it's super cold right about now. So yeah, that's what we have for today. And it's crazy, as we know, super cold. But yeah, I love snow, so I'm just here chilling in the snow for everyone who haven't seen snow yet. So this is the moment. So enjoy and have fun. We have games tomorrow as well. Arsenal is playing Crystal Palace very early. I shall bring you that on Tommy Bear TV. On that as well, and also, yeah, we have lots of things that we can bring to you in many ways and in many aspects of life. Yeah, that's what we have for today. Catch me live tomorrow and we shall be there with you as always. So stay tuned, and we bring you so much more from all around the world. Yeah, thank you. This is the snowman. Half beard's now becoming white, like a like a mosaic. For people who know mosaic, old person. So yeah, right. Good. Enjoy your time and have fun. And yeah, we shall see you all tomorrow for the show. Well done, and thank you so much for following me everywhere and being there for me and being around. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. We shall bring you weather, and this is the experience that I want people to have. It's a good experience for everybody, and yeah, for those ones who have not seen snow yet. So it's a good thing that yeah you enjoy and have fun everywhere with the snow moments that we have around. They're crazy, but it's great that we enjoy our time in the US as we are here still and having fun and enjoying the snow moment. Yeah, one love to everybody. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and yeah, enjoy the moment and have fun in the snow. I'm flying right now. It's cold, but I just wanted to show people how the snow is and how snow really come in the US here. It's freezing cold, but it's time to have fun as well. So that's why I'm here, showing you all the best and showing you all the yeah things that we have around in the snow. You can see how it's really snowing behind me. Even my shirt right now is snowing so much. You can see that. Um, yeah, it's crazy, but all we can do is just enjoy it. What else can we do? One love. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Next time, see you all. One love to all of you, and we chat tomorrow. Remember, we have a show tomorrow, and be ready for it. We shall have yeah, we shall have a show tomorrow and be ready for it at 1 p.m. as well. It'll be a live show for all of us, and wherever you are, where you are, we shall bring it to you live. We're talking about dating tomorrow, so don't miss that. It's a very big subject, and we want you to be part of it. And it's crazy. It's going to be massive. We shall have Pastor Dennis with us. We shall have Pastor James, and I myself, Mr. Laughter, which I will be there as well. So don't miss. And yeah, what's next? We have nothing else. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for being here on tamibertv. One love. See you all next time. Ciao. One love.